Shipping from China sounds easy until customs, taxes, and delivery become the problem. We are a China-based freight forward specialized in DDP and DDU shipping solutions.
We focus on international freight forwarding area for more than 30 years.
Whether it's full container road or less than container road shipping, we'll choose the most cost-effective shipping solutions for you. We ship from China to Middle East, Europe, the US, and Southeast Asia, handling every step during the shipment. We offer sea freight, air freight, truck and rail transportation options. We have no any hidden fees. From freight, custom clearance, taxes to the last mile delivery clear listed. Order price is transparent. Our business staff will trace your shipment from the factory to final delivery. We also provide cargo inspection, factory audits, and loading supervisions in China. Ideal for Amazon sales, wholesalers, and brand owners who need a reliable long-term shipping partner. If you need any shipping service from China to your site, send us your details. We'll advise the best price for you.